Imagine finishing your homework faster, creating presentations in minutes, taking smarter notes, and studying more efficiently using AI. But in 2026, students who use AI tools smartly have a massive advantage. The good news? Most of these tools are either free or very affordable. I'll show you the best AI tools every student should use for studying, productivity, writing, research, presentations, coding, and time management. These tools can literally save hours every week. So make sure you watch till the end because some of these AI tools feel almost illegal to know. Let's begin.
The first and most powerful AI tool for students is OpenAI's ChatGPT. If you're not using ChatGPT yet, you're missing out. ChatGPT can help students with homework explanations, essay ideas, summaries, study plans, coding help, language learning, and brainstorming. For example, you can ask, "Explain photosynthesis like I'm 10 years old." Instantly, it gives a super simple explanation. You can also use it to create flashcards, solve math problems, practice interviews, and generate notes. But here's something important: don't blindly copy AI answers. Use AI as a learning assistant, not a cheating machine. Students who use AI to understand concepts become smarter faster. The second tool is Grammarly, amazing for students who write essays, emails, assignments, and research papers. Grammarly checks grammar mistakes, spelling, clarity, tone, and sentence structure. Even native English speakers use it. One small grammar mistake can reduce assignment quality. But Grammarly helps your writing sound cleaner and more professional instantly. The premium version also gives advanced suggestions, tone improvements, and AI rewriting. This is especially useful for college students, freelancers, and content creators. If you struggle with English writing, this tool can seriously improve your confidence.
Next is Notion with AI features. Students love Notion because it combines notes, to-do lists, calendars, study trackers, and project management. And now AI makes it even more powerful. Notion AI can summarize notes, generate study plans, organize information, create outlines, and rewrite content. Imagine turning messy class notes into organized summaries automatically. That's a game changer. You can also create daily study systems, exam trackers, and productivity dashboards. The best students aren't always the smartest, they're usually the most organized. Now let's talk about presentations. Most students waste hours creating slides. That's where Canva becomes powerful. Canva AI helps students create presentations, posters, resumes, infographics, and social media designs. Even beginners can create professional-looking designs in minutes. The AI features can generate presentation designs, suggest layouts, create images, and write text ideas. This saves huge amounts of time. Visually attractive presentations can improve grades and engagement. For students creating YouTube content or freelancing, Canva becomes even more useful.
Another amazing study tool is Quizlet. It uses AI to help students memorize information faster. You can create flashcards, practice tests, study games, and quizzes. It's especially useful for exams, language learning, medical studies, and memorization-heavy subjects. Instead of rereading textbooks repeatedly, Quizlet helps active learning happen faster. Another powerful AI tool is Google's Gemini, useful for research, brainstorming, writing, productivity, and study support. Since it integrates with Google services, students can connect it with Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and Drive. AI assistants are becoming everyday productivity partners. Students who adapt early will have a huge future advantage.
If you're learning programming, AI tools become even more powerful. One of the best tools is GitHub Copilot. It helps developers by suggesting code, fixing errors, explaining functions, and speeding up programming. For beginners, it feels like having a coding mentor beside you. Another useful tool is Replit. Students can practice coding directly in the browser without complicated setup. AI is changing coding education rapidly. But remember, Don't let AI write everything for you. Understand the logic behind the code. Now let's talk about productivity. Students often struggle with distractions, procrastination, and time management. AI productivity tools can help massively. One useful app is Forest. It gamifies focus sessions and helps reduce phone distractions. Another useful tool is Otter.ai. It records and transcribes lectures automatically, allowing students to focus on understanding. AI productivity tools don't replace hard work, but they reduce unnecessary effort.